How to transfer WhatsApp chats. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipan Misnat, and today I'll guide you in how you can transfer chats on WhatsApp. Now you can transfer chats from WhatsApp from one device to another device easily. You can simply open up WhatsApp. You can simply tap on the three dots option at the top right corner of your screen and then tap on settings. Once you tap on settings, here now you should be able to see the option that says chats. If you are on iPhone, you can simply head into settings on your WhatsApp and then open up chats option. There you'll be able to see two different options, the chat backup and transfer chats. At the bottom you can see two different options. Then you can either use transfer chats. If you want to transfer it to Android device, you can use your transfer chat option and go ahead through the prompts and transfer it. If you want to transfer it to some other devices, that is iOS to Android or Android to iOS, you can tap on chat backup and you can go ahead and back up your chat by tapping on backup. You can simply tap on include videos option here and then tap on backup. Once you back it up, it'll be backed up, and once you back it up, now you can go ahead and log into your account in another device that you want, and then it'll ask you to recover your backed up chats. You can simply tap on recover. It'll take a while and your WhatsApp chats will appear there. So this way you can transfer WhatsApp chats. Hope this helps you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.